I'm Sarukesh from Vishnu Institute of Technology, BTech second year. Today I am going to tell about the sign in and login page using EJS and JavaScript by Express.Js. As you can see, this is my main JavaScript file which is outside of the views folder. Here, the express and the require are the two components which we need to install before executing this. And we should also install EJS, and also all our EJS files should be under the category of views. As you can see here, the index.ejs and the login success and the sign up success of EJS all are in the views folder. Here we are first initializing the Firebase and by using the required function. And this is my Firebase config details, which for which we are connecting the Firebase. Here, by this we are initializing it. Here, here the package of JSON file will be activated, and also our URL, which is the local host of 3000 for executing it. We will use app.js. App set here we are setting the path of views to access the EJS files we are using. First app.get. Here it is the initially we are making sure that when we open our website we are going to access the index EJS. Post here you can see app.post slash register, and this register is also has been here as the action of the form, which makes it such as when we give the email username and the password in the body of our EJS output, it will be get authenticated in the Firebase. And similarly, the get.post login. After signing up, we need when we are logging, we need to be aware whether our account is already existing in the database of Firebase. Otherwise, we should get an error. And this try and catch are the error situations which may occur. As you can see, await and async. We are using asynchronization functions for the registrant slash login files. At the last, this is used to start our Express server so that we can easily access the our website. This is the try and the catch. If if we are successfully login then we will have the successful login by as you can see by the condition of here, the login success. For signing up, this is our successful statement. This will take us to our login.success or signup.success regarding our choice, where we are giving an instruction. As you can see, this is the general HTML, but we are using an embedded style of JavaScript for this. That's why we name it as .ejs. Similarly, for login.success, almost the HTML and EJS are simply similar. The only difference is we in our HTML we will use our external script tags to write our HTML code. Whereas here we don't we, for few for few things we can directly write in them in the HTML code. That's why it is called as embedded JavaScript, which means we are directly embedding it into our HTML. As we generally know, this is the format this is CSS for our HTML. and this is the main JavaScript of our file. As you can see, we are using a toggle button. When we click this sentence in our output, we will directly convert the page into login page without needing without needing to change to the other web panel. Just our main sign up position is changes to the logish for login. The simple JavaScript for sign in block the style of authentication and the fields. Now I will show you our Firebase database. This is our Firebase. These are the few things which I have tried before. We are using email/password method for our authentication of our emails. Now I will going to show you how we are going to run that website. For that, we are going to use node index.js. When we create it, we are going to host our local host 3000. Here you can see the server is running on the port 3000. Now we are going to access it by clicking localhost.3000 directly. This is my website interface. Here I am going to use this email and I am going to create an username and also giving it a password as simply 123456 and I am going to sign up. This is my sign up successful page. Okay, now I'm going to log out and we are going to check I am able to log in by same website. I am giving the email, the password 123456 and log in. As you can see that it's logged in successfully and now we are going to change it has been added to our authentication of Firebase. I am going to reload it. As see now the we have added the one we required. Thank you.